Hello everyone, welcome to Homemade Chef where we'll be making different recipes. Today we'll be making puri which has masala in it, so it is called as masala puri. Come, let us see the ingredients for it. So here we are taking wheat flour, 2 cups of wheat flour, only wheat flour is sufficient. Then we have oil for both frying and for making the dough. Then chili powder 1 teaspoon, half teaspoon of turmeric. Then we have jeera and coriander powder, ajwain or carom seeds, salt and sugar. Now let us start making the dough. In a deep bowl I have taken wheat flour. I'll be adding all the dry masalas to it first. Salt, sugar, red chili powder, jeera powder and turmeric. Now bring all the dry ingredients together. So now let us mix it. For puris, important thing is the dough first of all. Otherwise it won't become soft and fluffy. It will either become hard or it will become very oily. So if you do it in this method, then you can ensure that it won't leave a lot of oil also after frying. So now oil is the main thing. You need to see how much oil has to be added. The amount of oil is when you mix the dough together, it should become crumbly. So I'll show you. Until then you have to keep mixing oil. You see it is crumbly now. If it is less and if it is not coming to this consistency, when you hold it together it should stay like this. If it doesn't, then you have to add little more oil. Always add little by little oil. Adding a lot also won't be good. Now let us add water and make a stiff dough. It should not be sticky dough. As we have added sufficient amount of oil, you can easily get to the stiff dough consistency. Rest the dough for at least half an hour. Close it with a lid or with a wet cloth. You see, after half an hour, it has been well set and has become little smooth also. And now let us make small balls out of it. Now let us take each ball, maybe of this size. You can do it according to your size. Let us roll it out. It should not be very thin and it should not be thick also. I'll show you the exact thickness that is desired. Ensure that you're rolling it equally. You see, this is the thickness that is desired. This is perfect. Now let us roll all of them and keep it aside. Now in a pan, heat the oil. Oil should be very hot while frying puris. This is another tip. If it is not, it won't come out soft. Now the oil is hot. So it will immediately fluff like this. And then you can turn it. Now the puris are ready and can be eaten with pickles. Please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel and Facebook page. Thank you.